Hey everyone, it's Nelson Miller here with PA Creative, and in this week's tutorial I'm showing you how to disable each of the Elegant Themes Divi AI features individually. This means that you could have the Divi text AI enabled but disable the image AI or the quick sites, something like that. This was a request and we added it to our Divi Assistant plugin. So I'm going to show you how to do it. You will need Divi Assistant for this since it's a very complicated thing to achieve. It's not something that we can just do with a code snippet. So it's a follow-up to our previous one. We did one how to completely disable Divi AI. Now we've updated the settings to break them up into the different features, which I think is really great because now, like I said, you could have some on and some off. Now, you may be thinking, what about the Divi role editor? Well, I'll show you that. So the Divi role editor has a few settings in it related to this, right? So right here, Divi AI, and right here is Divi Quick Sites. So at the time of this recording, those are the settings. Now, the Divi Quick Sites, that's referring to the card that's in the new Divi dashboard, which, by the way, we have some recent tutorials about how to hide that. So that would hide that, but then this Divi AI is turning off everything. Now that's problem number one, because you may want to have like the text AI, but not the image AI or whatever. With our settings, we're turning them off individually. The other thing is, well, someone can just come in here and turn these on and off, right? What our setting actually does is hides these settings. Let me just go ahead and head over to Divi Assistant. So under Visual Builder Helper and then Divi Upsells, so you're going to have these options. I already mentioned this, but we do have these options now to hide the new Divi dashboard. So right here, Divi Quick Sites, Divi Layouts AI, Divi Section AI, Divi Text AI, Divi Image AI, Divi Code AI. Now they may add more. This is at the time of this recording, and we'll go ahead and update. In fact, we just updated to this one, it just came out. All right, so those are all going to be disabled now. I'm disabling everything, you know what I mean? Now let's say I go to like the dashboard. You can see that card is not here, the Quick Sites card. And then if I go to the role editor where I was, you will see what I'm talking about. The setting is hidden. The two settings, the Divi AI and the Quick Site settings. So that's kind of a big thing. Now none of your users will get confused by it, and they won't be able to turn it on at all. Or you can decide which ones, right? Do whatever you want here, right? You can keep some on or some off. That's totally up to you. All right, hope you enjoyed that. Disabling the Divi AI features individually. If you did, definitely give me a thumbs up and comment below. We also, like I said, had those other tutorials very recently about hiding the Divi dashboard or hiding the upsells in the Divi dashboard. We have a separate one for each of that. If there's something else that we're missing, something you want us to modify in Divi, let us know. We have like 140 some settings at this point in Divi Assistant. So it keeps growing and growing and becoming more and more useful. So we hope you enjoy that. If you are enjoying the plugin, go over to our product page, leave a review. That actually really helps. That's something that is a major help to us. So we appreciate that, and we'll see you all in our next video.